If you struggle with ADHD, or maybe you're just a little squirrely, you get easily distracted and there's so many things going on at one time and you don't know what to do. So then it's like you start one thing and then you do another and then you do another and then you think, oh man, I forgot about that first thing that I was supposed to do, but I'm going to do something else. If you struggle with this very compulsive behavior to just do other things and to not get anything complete, well, I have 4 practical steps for you to follow so you can really just get things done and save yourself some time. Okay? When we are all over the place, we are taking away our time. We are finding more avenues to be judgmental on the things that we are doing and not doing. And we're, causing ourselves with our nervous system to feel such a overwhelm of, the things that never got completed. And then we're thinking about the future and the things that still have to be done, right? So we're going to make this practical, okay? I have 4 steps for you. Please try this. And I invite you to, like, maybe put away the medication. Maybe the medication doesn't need to be involved. Maybe we can just do this in an organic and holistic way where we are practicing. We're practicing how to be efficient naturally. Okay? Let's do this. So, the first thing, we want to anchor your focus. So, pick just one thing. Just pick one little thing. I know your mind has a million things that are happening around it, and it's like, oh, choose me, choose me, choose me. No, pick the one thing. The second thing is allow there to be flexibility in how you relate to the thing which you are focusing on. When you choose the one thing, you've picked your seed and you're planting it. And once you've chosen this and you're choosing to water the seed, it's okay if there's other, nutrients around it that it's getting energy from. So allow it to, have a different kind of relationship with you where it isn't um, so constrained and it's not like, oh, I just have to get this one thing done and you start to get irritated with it and you want to do other things. Just build a new relationship with it. Let it be flexible. Let it be open. Let it be something playful. Get curious. How can I relate to you more? How can I get to know you more? Right? We're anchoring into this one thing. We're saving ourselves time. And the third practical step, let your ideas with this focal point, let your ideas with this complete. Don't stop midway. Don't cut yourself short. Don't start to think of the other. Just allow the story with this thing to unfold. And if other ideas or anything comes to mind, then that's okay. But then just refocus, right? You're wanting to practice this. It's not about being perfect in the way that you do it. It's about constantly reconnecting. It's kind of like a meditative practice, but with more of the, materialized energy of what you are working with. So the fourth one, very last one, when what you're working on is finished, let it go. Don't go back to try and make it a certain way. Don't go back to it. Just let it go. Let it be as it is and accept that this is the finished product and then move on. Just move on. So the 4 practical steps, go back over them. Think about the thing that you really want to focus on, whether this is schoolwork, maybe it's a current project that you're doing, maybe it is just your at-home work. And you want to slowly, because it's springtime, you want to clean things away. Well, you know, look at this one thing and build a relationship with it. And as you kind of go outside and you start to wander into a different realm again, then realize I'm in this realm. Oh, yeah, I'm kind of, I'm in squirrel mode. I'm a little airy right now. Oh, I need to come back in. I need to come back down. Okay, what was I doing again? And then get back into the relationship, building a relationship with this thing, with the energy of. And as you do it, it's going to be a fun little game, but I just invite you to do this for yourself so that you save yourself time. Like, save yourself the energy and the worries of getting something done. So, I hope this video has supported you in some way. Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.